Hey guys, welcome to Eco Tips and Designs, where engineering meets creativity. From construction tips to DIY projects and real life stories, let's build something great together. Stay tuned. We come across a video like this? Yes, that command in AutoCAD was made using LISP file or LISP command. Today, I'll quickly show you 3 ways to load a LISP file into your AutoCAD. Stay tuned. Method 1. You simply go to the Manage panel. You'll see the Load application. Click on it and locate your LISP file in your folders. Click on it and click on Load. To give you this prompt, click on Load Always or Load Once. Method 2. The simple way of loading your LISP file into your AutoCAD is by typing APPLOAD, APPLOAD. The prompt will come up and you click Enter. You locate the LISP file. You select it and you click on Load. The prompt will come up and you choose from it. Method 3. The simple drag and drop method. This method is simple and common. You simply locate your .lisp file, right click on it, hold it down, drag it and drop it into your AutoCAD. The prompt will come up, you select from it and you click OK. I'll give you a simple example of the command being used. Stay tuned. Let's test our LISP command. I'll simply type LTW. Select it. I'll select the lines I want to turn to white. And I'll simply right click. Boom, you see it? This is how it makes your work fast and efficient. That's it. Now you know how to load the .lisp file using the 3 easy methods. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Eco Tips and Designs for more AutoCAD tutorials and engineering insights. Bye!